Today's workout is 15-10-5 push-ups and deadlifts. To warm up, open up the thoracic spine with the SAMSON stretch. Step forward into a lunge with the knee of the rear leg touching the floor. The fingers are interlaced and the arms straight overhead. Push the hips forward, feeling the stretch in front leg and back. After 20 seconds or so, change side. Inhale and lower the dumbbells controlled until the elbows slightly touch the floor. Exhale, press the dumbbells up and bring the arms into full extension. The floor dumbbell press allows to lift heavy safely and be gentle with your joints. Now alternate 15-10-5 push-ups and dumbbell deadlifts. For the push-ups, keep glutes and abs tight and the back straight. The chest touches the floor and the arms are fully locked out at the top. Start on the knees if straight legs compromise your form. Keep your core engaged at all times. For the dumbbell deadlift, stand hip width with the shoulders slightly in front of the dumbbells at the setup. Keep the heels down, the spine neutral, and the dumbbells over the middle of your foot. The repetition is complete at full hip and knee extension. Finally, stretch lower back, inner thighs and shoulders with the child's pose. Work with your breathing to open up your hips and relax. 3, 2, 1, go!